everyone, and welcome to Friday the 13th. It's the RELEARN Daily Show by Game Changers with your host, Phil.
And Adriano.
We've made it to the end of week one of this wonderful RELEARN Learning Innovation Festival, Adriano. And today, on day 5, we kick off with thought leader Francine Scully, who'll explore why student choice and voice should be part of our new normal.
You know, today we also get to encounter many other Firestarter talks, Phil, and the one with Francine is one of many. I'm really interested in hearing what Aaron Tate from Education Changemakers has to say around the ideas, research, and experiences he has on approaches to achieve large-scale spreading of high-impact educational ideas. And I'm equally interested in hearing from Richard Dunn from the Harmony Project on how nature's principles of harmony can be explored and developed in relation to how we learn and how we live. So, Phil, I'm interested in what sessions are you kind of looking forward to today?
Well, you know, Adriano, on our Game Changers podcast series, we really enjoy getting to know Vishal Talreja from the Dream Foundation. Well, I'm really keen to hear from the CEO of Dream, Susheta Bhatt, about their What If movement, a global movement to transform education. I'm also looking forward to the thought leadership of Dana Lauer from the Project ARC about the process of designing and implementing authentic project learning experiences. I'm also interested, because I'm interested in so many things in this conference, hearing from Jennifer Sutherland, who's CEO and co-founder of Beyond School, as she explores education beyond a one-size-fits-all delivery model to one that leverages self-determined learning to best prepare young people for today's new real world.
It all sounds very, very exciting, Phil. And day 5 is filled with so much more goodness beyond the sessions you've just mentioned, from sessions that will explore gender equity issues to ways to pay it forward and to a deep learning toolkit. So, much to discover and so much that we encourage everyone to head over to the RELEARN website to explore the entire day 5 schedule. Let's go.
The RELEARN Daily Show by Game Changers with your hosts, Dr. Philip S.A. Cummins and Adriano de Prado, is produced by Oliver Cummins for Orbital Productions and brought to you by the Game Changers. Check out the Game Changers podcast on Apple, on Spotify, on SoundCloud, on Google Play. If you like what you hear, tell your friends. Let's go.